Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel ChemWis. In this video we are going to learn an important name reaction, that is the Core-Kim oxidation. In this reaction, a primary or secondary alcohol reacts with an intermediate in situ generated by the reaction between dimethyl sulfide and N-chlorosuccinimide at minus 25 degrees centigrade in dichloromethane or THF or toluene, followed by reaction with triethylamine at minus 25 degrees centigrade to room temperature to produce aldehyde or ketone. Mechanism of Core-Kim oxidation. N-chlorosuccinimide is Cl plus donor and dimethyl sulfide is a nucleophile. Nucleophilic attack of dimethyl sulfide on chlorine of N-chlorosuccinimide produces succinimide anion and chlorodimethyl sulfonium ion. Chlorodimethyl sulfonium ion is very reactive, which immediately reacts with succinimide anion to produce N-dimethyl sulfonium succinimide and chloride ion. Alcohol then attacks on sulfur of N-dimethyl sulfonium succinimide to produce dimethyl sulfonio alkyl oxonium chloride and succinimide anion. Proton abstraction by succinimide anion removes succinimide to produce alkoxy dimethyl sulfonium chloride. Methyl proton is acidic due to the presence of positive charge on sulfur. Triethylamine abstracts this proton to produce sulfonium ylide, which undergoes intramolecular proton abstraction like this, eliminating dimethyl sulfide to produce aldehyde or ketone. Examples of Core-Kim oxidation: 1-propanol, benzyl alcohol, 2-propanol and 1-phenylethanol when undergo Core-Kim oxidation produce propionaldehyde, benzaldehyde, acetone and acetophenone respectively. The reagents used in Core-Kim oxidation are cheap and readily available. Therefore, this is used for the industrial production of drugs. For example, intermediate A, when oxidized under Core-Kim oxidation condition, gives intermediate B, where the hydroxy group shown in red gets oxidized to ketone. Intermediate B, when refluxed in methanol, gives antibiotic cethromycin. The oxidation reaction is performed on greater than 300 kg scales. This 1,2-diol intermediate, when oxidized under Core-Kim condition, produces this 1,2-dione in a very good yield, which is then converted to this alkaloid called cephalotaxine. Except for Core-Kim oxidation, other oxidizing conditions like Swern oxidation or oxidation with PCC proved unsuccessful. That's all in this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon if you like this video. Thank you very much for watching this video.